Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Darlene Rayo here. Thank you for joining me for another video today. Today's video is going to be a AliExpress haul, and I am going to tell you guys if I think AliExpress is worth it or not. I have a Wish haul worth it or not video, and when I did AliExpress, it took me a little bit to kind of navigate through the app because it is similar to Wish but not exactly. So it starts off similar, and as you dig deeper into products that you want and products that you are looking for, it is a lot different. So it took me I don't know, like a month to figure out how to navigate through it. At first I didn't like it. I wasn't happy with it because I felt like Wish had better prices. But when you kind of compare, they're kind of the same because Wish will do like free products. You just pay the shipping, and a lot of things on AliExpress are free of shipping, and so you just pay those $2 for the items. So it kind of is the same thing, but I put everything here in this little tin bucket that I don't know what to do with anymore. So I just stuck everything in here, and I have so many things, and everything here that I got was like $30. So I truly did not spend a lot of money for everything that I got. I have opened a few things, and I will get to those and I will show you what they are, but I'm just going to just take whatever is on top of this little box here and start to go through it. So I'll start with this. I've already opened all of these just because I needed to make sure that I got everything in. I bought 3 clothing items. Have to say that one of them, which is this one, not this one, this one, these are, I'm hinting at lingerie type, and this one was like a bodysuit. It was like a bodysuit. It looks similar, but when you put it on, it is not at all the same thing. It's very unflattering. It has no shape to it, so it just wasn't. It wasn't what I was expecting, so I just wasn't really happy with it. Just the cut, the way it looks on is not at all like the picture. I mean, aside the fact that my body does not look like that, it just did not fit flattering. It's not. I took it out. I said, okay, it's similar. I put it on, and it was not. So I'm going to show you another thing that I got, which is this package right here. It is also some lingerie. I have not tried this one on yet, but I did just take it out and look at it, and it looked better than this one here. I'll show you on the mannequin, but I did get the color white. Like I said, I haven't tried it on, but it looked better quality. It felt better just by, you know, just pulling it out of the packaging. The last clothing item I got is this camisole. I got it in a medium. I swear I thought I got it large. It fits really, really snug. I might just give it away because it fits really snug, but I love the cut. I love this little lace here on the chest. The material's not that bad. You know, the intentions for this top were not to wear alone. It's to wear like underneath a loose fitting shirt. So wear this like as an undershirt and have just the lace poke through. And I just think this is very elegant and sexy. Like I said, my problem is that it was too short, and I thought I got it bigger. According to the picture, it is very, very similar. I would say it is what the picture says it is, a description. If it's not all that comfortable, I probably will just end up giving it away, but this is something that I was happy about. Okay, the next thing I got is this little yellow package here, and it is these sunglasses, which I was super excited about, because I don't like spending a lot of money on sunglasses because they always get lost or broken because I have 2 little ones. I like to play in my purse. This is what they look like. they're made out of like plastic, and they feel very like very cheapy plastic, but for as long as they're gonna last me, I think these are pretty good. Another thing that I look for in sunglasses is that they have these little plastic, I don't know what these are called, but I want these to be plastic because I like to prop them up on my head like in the summer when I go out, and I don't like sticking them in my purse because they get lost or broken. So I really like these. These were a good purchase, and I think these were like $1, so I was happy with these. Okay, the next thing I have here is this little brush. I wanted a smaller brush for my highlighter, for my highlight. This is a knockoff. Ooh, this is a knockoff. I think Real Techniques. But I wanted something that was small like this and fluffy and tapered. It's bent here. I don't remember it being like that when I opened it, so I must have done that while it was in the box. It was in my little tin box. But I wanted something a little more precise for my highlighter, so I was really happy with this. The bristles feel nice. They don't feel bad, and it does not have like a factory smell. But I do wash all my brushes before I put them on my face, just because it helps prevent breakouts. So this was a buy that I was happy with. It was just as described. The only thing that I just am seeing now is this. Like I said, I don't remember this when I pulled it out of the packaging, so I must have done that when it was already here. Okay, the next thing, this is something I was really excited about, is this little silicone head brush. So it is like those silly sponges, but it comes like with a wand, so you can apply your makeup with, and I'm really excited to try this. I have not yet tried it, but it feels like the silicone sponges, and I'm really happy about it. The only thing is, I was thinking about when I would wash it, so I kind of was pushing on it like this to make sure water wouldn't get under it and ruin it, but it does lift out of the holder, so I'm gonna have to be very careful if I want this to last. I'm gonna have to be very careful when cleaning it. Hope that when I test it out, it will work well. The next thing I'm going to talk about is what is in this little one. This is a brow gel. This is supposed to last 7 days or something. This is lasting color and good water resistance is what this little package says. It's in, I don't know, Japanese, Chinese. I can't read it. I haven't even opened this yet either, so let me see here. So it's just like this. I guess it's from a company called Nova. It is definitely goopy. Oh, it smells good. It smells like fruity or something. Ooh, I like that. It smells fruity. After I ordered this though, I saw a like horrifying story where this girl put something similar to this, a product similar to this, onto her eyebrows. It said a certain amount of time, but if you want the color to last longer, to leave it on longer. So she did, and it like burned her skin. So iffy, but this one looks legit. It looks it has like a list of ingredients that I cannot read, but it looks legit, so I will be trying that out. Something else I got were these lashes. This is just a pack of 5 lashes. I think these were like 99 cents, and I really like these lashes. These look like the Demi Wispies. The band is like very thin, but the hairs look nice and they feel nice. They don't feel all stiff. This was a purchase that I was really happy with. These are the items that I've actually already been using, so I'll just start off. I'll show you my hands. If you guys watched my previous wish haul, you guys saw that I wanted a ring to wear on like my pointer finger, and it came completely different than the picture. So I looked really hard and I read the description very well, and I found these rings, which I have already been wearing. I got 4. I got 4 different ones, and they're these, and I loved these because they were super thin. I bought them in different sizes. I got this one in a size 4, and I really like it on my pointer finger. I really like to stack my rings, but it's a little bit hard to stack around my wedding ring. So I got this one here and this one here. I got the 2 silver, and then I got 2 rose gold ones because I wanted to kind of dress up this ring. This was an engagement ring. This is what he proposed with, so it's a very special ring, and I don't ever take it off, but I wanted to dress it up a little bit more. I think as I've worn them, they've faded into a gold color, and I don't mind that because my ring here is gold. It's not the same gold. This one looks like a very fake gold, these rings. But I got them for the purpose of dressing up my my initial engagement ring. That was that. This was a purchase I was really happy with. I found these rings. I really like how these look stacked. These are like the Cartier rings, and you know your girl cannot afford these in real life, but I found these really good knockoffs. I think they were like $3 each, and I think I got 4 or 5. I got 4 of them, and let me tell you, the way these came packaged, I mean, this is just a cute little box it came in. It's like a Tiffany blue. These amazing. I mean, I've never seen a real one, so I don't know, but you know, if I didn't know, I would think that these are real. On the inside it has love engraved, and it has like numbers, like a serial number, I don't know. And then on the, I need to show you guys detail, but on the ends out here it has love engraved onto it, and they're really good, and I've worn these like washing dishes and in the shower and stuff, and they've not faded, which is something that I'm really happy about. And I kind of went overboard. I don't need 4. Let me zoom in to show you guys the detailing of this. I know I'm really out of focus, but it comes like this, and here you can even see the engraved little love on it. And on the inside it has numbers, and then engraved it has the word love in it. I just have been wearing these 2 stacked just because I like that look. And it also came with this little card. It just says Yunru, I hope I said that right, fashion jewelry, and it has it's just a little store from AliExpress. It's a little thank you card. I think out of everything that I got, this is my absolute favorite. Yeah, that is everything that I got. AliExpress compared to Wish. Let me just give you guys a little bit of a comparison of the two. I think Wish products came a little bit faster. Some of these packages said Wish on them. Maybe they don't. I swear I thought some of these had Wish on it. It had the little Wish logo. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just imagining things, but I feel like some of I have the memory of receiving some of these things and thinking before I opened them to see what they were that I hadn't ordered from Wish. So I'm assuming that a lot of these stores have in both places, and maybe their prices are different. I haven't really looked into that, but I did feel like the AliExpress things took a lot longer to get here. On the Wish things, I think after like 3 weeks I started getting my things slowly, like 1 or 2 at a time, within the span of a week. But AliExpress took a lot longer. I think I got everything after 5 weeks. I made this purchase back in, I think it was around early November, and things just, I don't know, maybe I was just being impatient, but I felt like things just took a little bit longer to get here. I just think the Wish app is a little bit easier to navigate. I think it's worth it. I think it is if you just know how to shop on it. I did ask my sister for help because she uses AliExpress. She showed me a few tricks that I'm going to share with you guys. So when you go to the AliExpress website, when you're looking for something, and you just search what you want. So here I've typed in glasses. I'm going to go under this right here. It says best match. You're gonna click it, and it's gonna bring like a little drop down bar. and you're gonna go to number of orders, and that's gonna tell you the product that has been ordered the most, so that way you know that it is legit. And that was a really good tip because it helped me navigate the site a little bit better, because there were things that I found that there was no reviews, the description wasn't really there, and so I was a little bit iffy. I didn't want to order anything because I was afraid that the product was not going to be as described, or that I wasn't going to get the product, and I think that was my initial fear with Wish also. She showed me where the reviews were because initially I couldn't find them. When you click on a product, so this was just the first thing under the glasses, it's under feedback. A lot of the items, this one has it pretty close to the top, but a lot of the ones that I looked for were very, like, at the very bottom, and it made it hard to figure out where they were. And I just wanted to make sure I was gonna get the product that I paid for. And I know that these are really cheap products, so it's not like I was gonna lose a lot of money. And you know, they do say you get what you pay for, but just there were a few things that I bought that were a steal, and I was really happy about, like the love love rings. So all in all, I think AliExpress is worth it if you know how to navigate the app. That is all the stuff that I bought. We're at the end of this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me, especially because I am a smaller channel and I am trying to grow. The thumbs up really help get me out there because of this YouTube algorithm. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.